ya kaunti ya Machakos ni yugite gutire igoti igukure kiongerera na makiria kumana na budget ya kaunti yone ya kurirwe githomo ni minister wa kigina kaunti ne yo no ria gwikaine ta Onesmus Muiya na ria kana budget ino iri gukure kihudhirwo mwaka-ini wa kigina kaunti ne yo ni amwigana wa shiringi bilioni 14.7 ukirigwo Onesmus ni yugite ati kigina iki kinene giguteithĩrĩria gutigirira ati uthii wa na mbere na heni wa irio ni umwe wa maundu maria makorwo makirorwo na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire na gutigirira ati kaunti ino ni yukiria na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
There are no new taxes introduced in 2023-2024 budget proposals that take into consideration the prevailing economic realities as we anticipate stabilization of the economy. What we are doing is we are working towards dealing with the commissions within the revenue collection. We've not introduced new taxes because we really understand the current economic environment. Is building a resilient through sustainable food security and socio-economic empowerment. The Machakos County Kenya shillings 14.7 billion 2023-2024 budget is based on socio-economic empowerment policy of chakula mezani, pesa mfukoni. It is based on the government's socio-economic policy of transforming the livelihoods of Machakos County residents through Chakula Mezani Pesa Mfukoni initiative, while building on the infrastructural projects which were put in place by the former regime. The budget aims at empowering the people of Machakos County and transforming the county into a model of excellency in governance and economic prosperity. The Kenya shillings 14.75 billion budget represents an increase of 27% from the 12 billion budget for the last fiscal year. It is funded as follows: 9.55 billion equitable share, Kenya shillings 2.99 billion on source revenue, Kenya shillings 1.09 billion conditional grants, which is a big increment from the last fiscal year, and 1 billion health revenues. It should be noted that there has been an increased revenue collection, which has in turn led to the increase in budgetary estimates. The last 8 months we've been able to increase the revenue by 400 million year to date compared to last year. This has been achieved through several fiscal discipline measures put in place by the executive, including but not limited to enhanced automation and the consolidation of the 211 pay bills into a single pay bill number 16-16-16-0, rendering the county cashless, among other revenue leakage curbing measures.